So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Muzi here. So today we have something special to unbox. It's an airpod, not Apple's airpod, but the airpod i9s TWS. So let's unbox this. So this is the first time I'm actually going to unbox an airpod on my YouTube channel. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And this video was sponsored by, so I have to say this video was sponsored by Lion Movement Inc. So thank you guys for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. But because of them I had to get this airpod to unbox for you guys. So let's get to the unboxing. Let's take a look at the specs. So these here are the specs of the airpod, and it lasts for 2 to 3 hours when using, and charging time takes 13 minutes. Alright, so let's move this, shall we? Okay, it serves music, phone call, charging, network, whatever. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I'm so happy for this, man. Okay, wow. This is cool, guys. This is one of my favorite unboxings, to be honest. Wow. Wow, this is so good. And I got it in white because white is actually the best. And here we have the box. And the case, wow. I was actually going to buy another one, but here it is. Okay, the lightning cable. And the holder. And the manual. Wireless stereo earphone. So these are basically the things that I inside this box. So I'm gonna go ahead to charge this and get to the review. So see you later, but this is it. Wow. Let me get it down. Wow. This is actually dope. Let me peel this plastic off, because I love peeling all this kind of plastics. Alright. Get off me. So this is actually what comes in the box. Let me get to arrange this, and when I charge it I'm going to power it on and give a full review about it. So now I'm back here, so I want to currently explain what's going on here. So I want you guys to go and check out Mosi Lion new album. Like, his albums are sick, man. Like, it's one of the best songs to listen to this airpod, and that's pretty cool, because like throughout the whole day I've been listening to his album. His album like is now the best to listen to this airpod. Good bass, and his songs are actually good. So the link to his album will be down in the description below. So his songs are out on Audiomack, Spotify and Apple Music, so you guys should go ahead and check him out. Peace out.